Okay, I have two problems here. On the left-hand side, we're looking for the first quartile of the data set. And then on the right-hand side, we have the same data set, but this time we're looking for the third quartile. So here's how we go about doing this. And actually, let's get rid of this line so I have some space for our problem here. So what we're going to do in order to find the first and third quartile, we're going to line all of the data up from least to greatest. So let's go ahead and look at our minimum values. Looks like we have two values of 21, so let's put these in order, 21, 21, and then I have the next biggest value is 23, and then it looks like I have 35, and then it looks like 43, 48 is next, 72, 78, and 86. Okay, so I've ordered these numbers from least to greatest. We need to make sure they're all in order when we're looking for the first and third quartile, just like when we're looking for the median. Now, speaking of the median, that's the first thing we're going to find when we're breaking this up into quartiles. We're going to first split it in half by finding the median. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. So my median is going to be the value right in the middle here, which is 43. That's going to be our median. Now to find the first quartile, I'm going to take this the lower half of the data set below the median, so the numbers from 21 to 35, and I'm going to break this in half, so it looks like the halfway point is directly between 21 and 23, so the number in between that would be 22, which means that 22 is my first quartile, or we can also call that Q1. So that is the answer to our first question. The first quartile is 22. That's halfway in between the bottom half of the data. And now quartile 3, we're going to take this upper half of the data above the median, and we're going to find the value that would be directly in the middle of that. And right between 72 and 78, well, let's see, there are 6 values between 72 and 78. So it looks like 75 is the one that will be halfway in between. And that is our Q3.